The word pastries suggests many kinds of baked products made from ingredients such as flour, sugar, milk, butter, shortening, baking powder, and eggs. Here are our top 5 versions of what pastries mean in North America. Croissants. A type of puff pastry from France that is a rich, flaky roll named for its distinct crescent shape. Pies. A pie is a baked dish of fruit, meat, or vegetables, typically made of a pastry dough crust and often topped with pastry. Danishes. Danishes are a sweet pastry and specialty of Denmark that are available in flavors like apple, cherry, chocolate, and cheese. Macarons. Macarons are a sweet French meringue-based confection made with egg whites, sugar, and almonds, sandwiched around a layer of ganache or buttercream. Tarts. A baked dish made with a filling over a pastry base and have an open top. Which version is your favorite?
Yes, you can. Kitchen Mama.